Hi everyone, I am Fatima Afifa, students of BCom TET from E-Content Development of Center from Majalis Arts and Science College, Puramannur. I am discussing about the topic of management. Management is planning, organizing, commanding, coordination and control of the technical, financial, security and accounting activities. Features of management. First one, universal application. Management is a universal activity. It can be applied to any form of activity like economics, social, business, religion and education. Next one, management is goal oriented. Every firm determines the objectives to be achieved, so an organization is working to achieve those objectives. Next one is dynamic. Management is not static but dynamic. It adopts change in environment. Next one, distinct process. Management is a distinct process. Next one, intangible. Management is intangible. It cannot be seen with the eyes or touched. Next one, an activating factor. The management should activate the other factor of production. The manager should motivate others to accomplish described results. Next one is multidisciplinary. It is a multidisciplinary management integrates the ideas and concepts taken from different disciplines like psychology, sociology, economics, etc. The importance of management. Management it helps to achieve the objectives of the organization. It ensures optimum utilization of resources, both human and materials. It helps to attain maximum efficiency with minimum human effort. It ensures the economics and social development of country. Management helps to meet challenges due to change in technology, test and fashions, the government policy, etc. It motivates the people in organization towards the attainment of objectives. They provide new ideas, imagination and vision to an enterprise. It ensures coordination between different activities in the organization. It helps to promote the welfare of the society by providing better quality of goods. Management organizes, direct and control the effort of the people in the group in an organization. Levels of management. First one, top level management. It consists of the board of directors, managing director, general manager and other senior executives. They fix the objective of the organization. Top level management prepare policy, plan and take important decisions to accomplish to the objective of the organization. Functions of top level management. Determine the objective, define the goals, establish the policies, prepare strategic plan, give guidance and directives, control the create good relation with public, judge the result. Middle level management. Middle level management consists of head of functional department. They are responsibility to top level management. They are concerned with organization and direct functions of management. Functions of middle level management. Interpretation of the programs and policies communicated by the top level management. Organizing and managing their departments as per main plan. Plan the department operations. Guide, direct and motivate their workers to attain the objectives. Cooperate and coordinate with other departments. Evaluate the performance of his subordinates. Collect reports from the lower level and send into top level management. Lower level management. Lower level management is also known as supervisory management. This level includes supervisors, foreman, gang boss, accounting officer, sales officer, etc. They are more concerned with the direction and control functions of management. Functions of lower level management. Plan for a day or week, organize the objective of his group, allot work to the workers under his, issue instruction at the site, motivate the employees, arrange materials, machines, tools, etc. for workers, give guidance and supervise the employees. Hope you understood today's topic. Thank you.